Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Myself, Muhammad Umair, 15826, my ID number. Today, my presentation topic is Surah Hujurat and some du'as. First, I will tell you the introduction of Surah Hujurat. Surah Hujurat is the 49th surah of the Holy Quran that Allah revealed to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in Medina. Surah Hujurat tell us that we must do research before expecting the news given to us by our transgressor. The surah also tells us not to call each other names and do not backbite. According to the Sunnah, Surah Hujurat, the noblest of the people in the sight of Allah are the God-very. Let me highlight the some points of Surah Hujurat, main points of Surah Hujurat. Fatabayyanahu, research the news carefully. For aslihu, make peace between Muslims. For aksitu, act with justice. La yaskhar, don't make fun of each other. Walatalmizu, don't tease each other. Walatana buzu bil alqab, don't call each other by bad names. La, la yaktab, don't backbite on another. La tajassu, don't be fooled by anyone.